So I left this key in the pocket of my pants and I washed it. And when I took it out, it was wet and it didn't work. And this is what you need to do. First and foremost, you need to disassemble the key. Regardless of the type of key that you have, just disassemble it. And that's what we're gonna do here. And the reason why you wanna do this is because you wanna be able to get everything out. And the most important thing in the disassembly is getting the battery out. Once you get the battery out, what happened with mine is I tested the battery, right, with the multimeter, and it showed that I had 3 volts, but it did not work. This was the issue. But what I did, and I didn't know that, is I took all these pieces and I placed them inside rice, right? And I placed them underneath the rice. So once I got him underneath the rice, I actually set this outside in the sun and I let that sit there for about 4 or 5 hours. Then I took everything out. I cleaned it and vacuumed it. And then I put everything back together and it didn't work. So then I decided I'm gonna test a new battery. So what I did is I put the new battery in. And one of the most important things you want to do is you want to make sure that your battery goes back the same way that you took it off. And then we're going to put this back in here. And you're going to reassemble everything the way you originally had it. And when I did that, I went over to my car and it worked. Hope that helps you.